Welcome to Curious Cubs.
Hi Curious Cubs! Today we will be reading Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Let's read together.
Wow, we did such a good job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, and I don't want to go. I heard monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door. Slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Boo! Again. Louder! That's better. Looks like there's a note. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Let's see what the note says. For Larry. I wonder what it says. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise, Larry! We brought an extra special treat for you and your trick-or-treaters. Oh boy! Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. So Curious Cubs, how did Larry feel before he went into the house? By looking at his face, you can tell he was somewhat scared or worried. He thought there might be monsters in the house. How did Larry feel at the end? By looking at his face, you could tell he felt happy or relieved because he found out there were no monsters in the house. It was just his friends throwing a Halloween party. Well, thanks for reading. Don't push the button, a Halloween treat with me. I hope you had fun with Larry figuring out who was in this spooky haunted house. Bye, Curious Cubs! Make sure to check out our other videos and animations down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!